In today's video, I'm showing you how I switch out my handbags, making an easy dinner recipe, doing a simple makeup routine, and taking you to the bookstore. I hope you enjoy today's video. Good morning everyone, Jennifer here. I'm doing a quick makeup routine before I take the kids out a bit later to go to the bookstore. I have a question for you. Do you enjoy getting ready each morning? I really look forward to it. If you think about it, getting ready is a creative process. It's full of choices. What you will wear, if you wear makeup, how you'll do it, how you do your hair, what perfume you choose. These are fun, joyous choices, and I really do relish it each day. I don't wear full makeup every day, but I usually wear at least a few things makeup-wise. I enjoy selecting the colors. I even enjoy seemingly boring things like contouring my cheekbones, nose, and forehead to make it look like I've just come back from a tropical holiday. It's the little things, you know? Also, while I get ready each morning, I listen to music or a good book, or I watch a YouTube video on my phone, so it's even more enjoyable. And now, here's my finished look. Time for a recipe. I'm going to share a super simple coconut chicken curry that you can make with whatever vegetables you have on hand. This is a great recipe to make when you're running low on groceries or when you want to use all the veggies in your fridge, which is my case here. In my pan on medium heat, I sauté some onion, carrot, and celery. By the way, these are those ceramic pots from Chef's Foundry. They're still going strong. I love them and they're so easy to clean. I'll leave them down below for you. I mix in some chopped cilantro, and once the vegetables are softened, I add the cubed chicken breast. Once the chicken is cooked, I add chopped bell pepper and tomatoes. I cook for a bit longer, and then I add 1 can of coconut milk, some chicken broth, and a tablespoon of curry powder, and of course salt and pepper to taste. Once this has thickened a bit and the chicken is fully cooked, around 20 minutes, you can remove this from the heat. Serve this over cooked rice and top with extra cilantro if you have it. You can also make this in the slow cooker too, and all the vegetables are interchangeable. It's also really good with potatoes. You can really make this your own. Delicious. I'm going to take a minute to tell you about Grüns, who have kindly sponsored today's video. The Grüns caught my eye because I love gummies, and I was also really impressed with all of the nutrition that they packed into them. Grüns are a convenient, comprehensive formula packed into 8 gummies a day. This isn't a multivitamin, a greens gummy, or a probiotic. It's all of those things and then some at a fraction of the price. And here's a bonus, it tastes great. 8 gummies are included with each daily snack pack because you can't fit the amount of nutrients they do in just one gummy. Grüns have over 20 vitamins and minerals and 60 plus whole food ingredients. There's no artificial colors or flavors, but they're still tasty. It tastes like a fruit snack, which I love. The These are vegan, nut-free, gluten-free, and dairy-free. Grüns contain gut-healthy beauty, energy, immunity, recovery, and cognition benefits, including 6 times the gut health ingredients compared to the leading greens powders. Biotin and niacinamide for thicker hair, nails, and healthier skin, and mushrooms which can improve cognition. They also contain vitamin C for immunity. They have Grüns for both adults and kids. I love them. It's a wonderful way to get your nutrition in. Get up to 45% off by clicking my link in the description. Okay, so today the girls I'm dropping them off at some gymnastics thing, and the boys and I are going to kind of kill time while they're doing that at a local mall. We're either going to go to a restaurant or walk around the mall. I really want to go to the bookstore, so let's see what we end up doing. But I thought I'd talk about how I switch my handbags. So typically I will choose my handbag based on what I'm wearing. And this dress is like, you know, it's black and has wildflowers. So to me, it looks better with a black handbag. It just matches a bit more. So I'm going to change out my Dooney and Bourke into this, and I just basically swap a few key things. This bag is a lot bigger than this one, so it fits a lot more, and I have a lot of big stuff in here, like my book, which is not going to go into this bag, but I'm going to the bookstore anyway, so I don't need to bring a book. Okay, so the main thing that I would switch out, of course, is my wallet. And I actually have kind of 2 wallets. I have a wallet that holds money, and then I have this little pouch my parents got me like 20 years ago, over 20 years ago. And I can fit this in here, but I can't fit this and my wallet. This is the Teddy Blake Chiara Stampetto bag. So I've kind of put my wallet also in here. This holds lots of things in it, like money and lip balm, a pen, you know, so this holds everything that I need, and it's just like one convenient pouch that I will put into this bag. Now, when I have a bigger bag, I like to have my wallet, you know, in addition to it, so that I don't have to put everything there, because that's not a technical wallet. And then my sunglasses. So I have 2 sunglasses, and it's kind of similar to the bags. One of them, these are from St. Owen. I love them, by the way. Putting these in my holiday gift guide. But these are like black with gold rim. So they look better with what I'm wearing than the ones that I have, also by St. Owen, which I love. But these are the tortoiseshell ones. They're so nice. I love these sunglasses. So the tortoiseshell ones are more, you know, of a brown hue. So like these accessories would go better with my dresses that have like a richer brown hue, and then everything with the black hue, it's this. So I'm switching out my sunglasses. So I have a little cloth case, which is nice because this doesn't take up as much space as the hardcover cases. So I'm going to put these sunglasses in the black bag now. I do that. And of course I need my keys. What I love about the Dooney and Bourke bag is that there's like a little latch for your keys there. So this one doesn't have it, but I'm gonna put my keys in there. And then I just have a few other miscellaneous things like an Alice notebook, which of course is absolutely essential. I'm gonna put that in my bag. I carry a few of those around with me. And then a scrunchie. So I have a lot of scrunchies. They tend to collect. I think because I'm wearing black, I'll do my big black scrunchie, just in case I need to tie my hair back. And then that's pretty much it. I'm going to leave it like that so that it's not so heavy. So I'm going to wear this bag now, and then if I change my outfit tomorrow and I wear something like the quince dress, the Doen dress, any of my tan or brown or clothes that look better with a brown handbag, I'll go back to this one. But it's a super quick swap out, you know? So anyway, it's going to be 100 degrees today. So this is crazy. Honestly, I keep wearing this dress because this is like my most lightweight dress. And I was gonna wear the Doen one, but it's long sleeves. You cannot wear long sleeves when it's 100 degrees outside. All right. It's time to go shopping. We ended up going to a Barnes & Noble in a nearby town. This isn't my local one, so I was excited to check it out. It was so big. I just love being in bookstores. I'm not sure if I've ever shared this, but working at Barnes & Noble was one of my very first jobs. I will always hold fond memories of it. That's a whole other story time, and I can tell you about that later. We bought a few books, including this young adult fantasy novel called The Cruel Prince by Holly Black, which I've heard really great things about. Let me know if you've read it or if you have any other book recommendations for us. There was a mystery author there signing books, so I wanted to buy one to support him. He was such a nice man. His name is David Putnam.
Will you sign this to you or just
Yes,
sign
please. Yeah, that would be great.
What's your name?
Jennifer? This is so exciting. I love mysteries. Wow.
And there's another one in this series, but we sold out of that. It's this one here.
Oh, okay. So I'll put this in all my readers will check these out.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Very good.
I ended up buying his book, A Lonesome Blood Red Sun, and he even signed it for me. We had a great conversation about mysteries. We went next door and had a spot of lunch at the Olive Garden, which I literally have not been to in probably 35 years. And it was a really lovely afternoon. Thank you for watching, and thank you to Grüns for sponsoring. Get up to 45% off by clicking my link in the description box. Keep calm and remain classy, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.